I'm going to show you how to do stop motion on TikTok today. First, you need to find for the filter, which is stop motion. Just like tap it in the search, then it's going to appear if you haven't saved it already for, under your favorite filter. From here, click on star. You see that hand? That hand is really important. You are going to tap on the screen with your fingers each time you want to change the image. My first frame, and think about a frame as like the first image, it's just a piece of bread. Then I tap the screen and then I'm going to add one avocado slide. Then I tap again and you'll see that you get like that flash, so you know you're taking that picture. Think of each frame as a static image that it's going to play faster in a movie once you put them all together. Once you're done and satisfied, like I have it here, click on the red button like you were recording a normal TikTok videos. And here's the final version of what I was testing out with some avocado and bread. If you have any question, please comment below.